Yebo. All right, hayi injalo. Ayijiki uma isinje. Right. Now we change the narrative. Kancane. When I was doing a series, ne? So I did 10 episodes, manje. Now I'm going to rekindle some stuff, ne? I'm going to start speaking to some folks that you guys have seen on my channel before, ne? You've seen these people on my channel before, and senzo phinde futhi nibabone. Right? We're going to be talking a lot ngalolu daba lenzusa. I will be letting them again bahube. Years later, niphinde futhi nizwele, and give you the opportunity to even join me or join in on the conversation. Right? Hayi, kusemnandi. Don't worry. Hayi inhlali, hayi, sifuna ukubaza. Hayi semakhoneni inhlali nje, hey sifuna kanti bangaki labantu. Don't worry, I'll answer you. Ngizoniphendula ningangijaha. Hamba kancane mina, kancane. Then you'll realize. Give you the opportunity. Then again, I will repeat into engayenza. I'll speak to some of my folks. Baphesheya again. Ngiphinde ngibanike ithuba lokuthi baphinde bahube nani. Live on my channel. Why not? Give them the opportunity ukuthi nani bazi ukuthi banilonto nje. Banitshele ngodaba labo. I always say, your story is the greatest story you will ever tell. Asikho istory yosisho okudlula esakho. Uhambo lakho is an experience that has to humble you, elevate you, and make you understand who you are. That is the greatest story you can tell anyone. Ngobani, it's based on your own experience. It's based on your own challenges, on your own achievements. Yayizwa leyo nto? Uhambo lakho laziwa uwe. Yabo! Gradually, we will get there. All right? So buckle up. It's about to go down.